If you are holding Jasmy coin right now, you must pay close attention because in this video, you will be hearing a shocking realization I have recently had in the long term for Jasmy coin, and we will reveal how this could impact the price because I just realized something very massive and I want to discuss this with you guys in full transparency and essentially discuss what I have realized. And also, aside from that, we'll be talking about the shorter daily time frame and also discuss what I could be expecting in the long term. So yeah, to begin, we are starting off inside the weekly time frame because that is what you came for. You clicked on this video to hear what I realized, and here we will be delivering it to you in the beginning today. So as you guys can see, we are in the longer weekly time frame charts, and yes, I just spotted a very massive pattern that has formed for the Jasmy coin price in the longer weekly time frame, and I am talking about this potential inverse head and shoulders pattern. As you guys can see, we have the left shoulder right here, we have the head right over here, and then we have the right shoulder completing this very massive reversal pattern towards the upside. This is a very massive inverse head and shoulders pattern, as you guys can see, and we even have the neckline right over here. And the big news right now is we already broke above this level about a week ago. A couple of weeks ago, we broke above the neckline, so the breakout is confirmed. And the big news right now is if we do take the measurement of this pattern and place it to the point of breakout, you guys can see that this is targeting a pump towards the upside to a price target of around 0.2 cents. So from the price we're at right now, there's about another 370% pump left towards the upside until we reach that target of this particular pattern. So yeah, that is the big news I have. This is really crazy. I haven't seen any other influencer talk about this except me, and yes, to me this is a very clear inverse head and shoulders pattern. As you guys can see, we have the left shoulder right here, we have the head formation, and then we have the right shoulder. You can also say that we have potentially formed a cup and handle pattern as well right here, but the thing is, we have clearly formed a reversal pattern, and this is clearly showing a shift in the momentum and in the market trend, and we are seeing an increase in confidence for Jasmy coin, which is really great news, and that is why we're seeing the price have a crazy move right now. So yeah, that is really something interesting to look out for. Now let's talk about the daily time frame charts and discuss what I'm expecting in the next couple of days. So as you guys can see, something really big just happened as well. We recently broke above a key resistance zone right over here. As you guys can see, it has previously acted as resistance as reflected by this red candle over here, but we successfully broke above it, and now I'm expecting this potential scenario to play out. I'm expecting we could continue pumping until we have a pullback towards the downside and hold this level as support right here before continuing the next leg towards the upside to the next price target at around 0.071 cents. So from the price we're at right now, that's going to be about a 60% pump towards the upside to the next target at 0.071 cents. So why am I expecting a pullback? That is because I have discussed this in my previous videos that in the RSI, in the daily time frame RSI, Jasmy coin in the RSI is essentially trading at overbought regions right over here, as you guys can see, which is indicating a potential pullback in the immediate short term before that reversal towards the upside. And then as you guys can see in the MACD, in the daily time frame MACD, we're about to have a bearish cross as well, which is again indicating for a short-term pullback before continuing the next leg towards the upside, as reflected by this potential scenario I have laid out in the daily time frame. So essentially there is nothing that is concerning me, and everything looks like it's going according to plan, especially for the long term. The Jasmy coin price looks absolutely bullish, and we have clearly formed a reversal pattern over here, and we are seeing a clear shift in the momentum for the price, and that is a good indicator that we are destined for higher prices. So looking good so far. There's nothing that really concerns me, if you may be wondering. And if you're wondering about my long-term, or if you're wondering about my bull cycle targets for Jasmy coin, I'm expecting Jasmy coin to have the top, or have the blow off top at around 0.5 cents for this bull cycle. And that's going to be placing Jasmy coin at around a $15 billion market cap, which is about a 7x return on investment from the price we're at right now. So really crazy things are coming, and we're approaching one of the biggest bull runs of our life. And if you are serious about making life-changing wealth in this market, you can no longer do this alone. You need a group of people, you need a network of people who would supply you with value, who would supply you with information, and who would help you spot opportunities in this market. And that can only be accessed in my private networking group over in Discord. This is called the Swan Group, where I release weekly market insights and updates. The reason why our members are growing rapidly is because all we do is provide value with one another and help each other elevate in this market. So if you're not in this group yet, you are missing out. So be sure to join through the link in the description and act now.